Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a 3D map using QGIS from the digital elevation model raster data. So for that purpose, you have to download the raster data, which is the DEM data from the USGS or Copernicus. I have made another video. You can watch that one, how to download the DEM data from USGS. So let's continue. Come to the layer. After layer we have the option add layer, then we have the raster layer. From here you go to the where you have saved your file raster data. Just we will click on add. Now we will change the properties. After changing the properties we will come to the palettes. So under that we will go to the random, and I like mostly turbo. Then after that we come to the classification and OK. Now go to the plugins. Under the plugins you come here and just search for, it may take a little bit time, so you can search for QGIS2. So once you click on that, there is one option. That option is called QGIS2 3JSD. So this is the plugin that you have to install. I already installed it, that is why we will not repeat again. Once the plugin is installed, then you come to the web. After web you come to this one, then the same name, QGIS to 3JS. Once you click here, it says that there is one problem, and that problem is related to the coordinate system. Now to solve this problem, we will close it and come back to change our coordinate system. How to change your coordinate system? There is globally 60 zones in around the world, but you have to search that in which area your zone come. You can go to Google and just write down global UTM zones. Then you will have a photo or any table website. Then from that table you can extract that under which zone your area comes. Now I know already my zones come under UTM 43 North. So here it is, it comes. Then I will apply. Now coordinate system is set. Again we go to back that option, so this time it will accept. It's building. Let's zoom it. Still it doesn't look like that much 3D, but we have to come to the scene setting. Well, scene, let's say I will keep it into 15. Then I will apply and we'll see how it looks like. So now if I little bit move it, yeah, you can see that we have created a very beautiful and nice 3D map from the elevation. And we need to increase again little bit up to 20. Then let's keep it 30. Just try according to your designing mode and all you wish. So this area is showing the highest elevation, and let's keep it now to 40. I don't think so if it will be a good option, but anyway, looks much better now. So this is called the real 3D. Then from this 3D you can create a legend also. Legend can be based on the main map, but you cannot create legend in the exporter. But anyway, you can change the color. So if you want to try another color, let's continue with one more color. Let's say this time I will take plasma. So we'll apply plasma. Yeah, in plasma it's not that much good, so you can just arrange it as you wish. We'll go with which one will be better. Let's try spectral, then apply it. This also doesn't look that good, but anyway. So we'll come back to that turbo. Turbo is the best option which we had for this 3D. We'll come back to the turbo. So now once you are final with the color setting and designing and all, it is time to go with the exporting the map. To export, go to the file, then we have HTML format, which I highly suggest you if you want to share with your colleagues or friends. And another one, export setting, load, then we have as image in GeoTIFF or PNG. In our case we will go with PNG, and this is the size of the image. And finally we will save. It will ask you that where you want to keep. We will save it just in the desktop, then press save. Now just let me check once if I have it in the 3D mode, then it's okay. Yeah, here we have the PNG in 3D mode. Thank you for watching.